Hey everyone, I'm Cassandra Barney and welcome back to an update all about my Amazon selling journey. So if you're not familiar with this channel, here on Profit Guru, I love to show you guys exactly what I'm doing to make money online and how I'm selling on Amazon. I also love to teach you guys different strategies that I'm using so that you too can learn how to sell on Amazon. So in this video, I want to give you an update on where I am right now in my Amazon selling journey.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with Profit Guru. I'm a teacher, mother of 3, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at Profit Guru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
If you were around for my last update, then you will know that I was kind of having a hard month. It was just really difficult to try and balance full-time teaching, full-time being a mom of 3, and trying to make digital products for passive income, as well as stay on top of growing my Amazon store. So I am really happy to tell you guys that there are some big changes coming up in the future, and that is what this video is all about, so that I can explain to you the future of my Amazon business. If you know me, you know that I'm a teacher. I've decided to not teach the next school year. So I'm going to take a whole year off and just dedicate it to what I'm doing here online. So I was kind of in between having this balancing act of really wanting to spend time with my youngest son and have the time to keep my business afloat. And by taking the year off, this is going to allow me to do both things. So I'll be able to stay home on my last baby's last year home from school and just be able to have so much time with him. At the same time, I'm going to be able to really scale my Amazon business how I want to. Right now, I have maybe 3 hours that I dedicate to Amazon per week just because I don't have the time. And with Amazon, the more time you have, the more profitable you are, because this isn't something that gives you passive income. If you want to make money on Amazon, you need to be weekly investing the hours into it in order to scale. It's not something like where I can just make a digital product, spend the time on making it, and then had it for sale and now it's going to sell and I'm going to make money on. That's not what Amazon's about. So with Amazon, if you want to be successful, you need to be able to devote the time into it. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to help me to scale each month. It's also going to allow me to kind of adjust gears a little bit. Right now, I'm strictly doing online arbitrage. It's basically the only model I can do with the little bit of time that I have. So I have my virtual assistants who do a lot of the sourcing for me. I don't even really do a lot of sourcing right now, just because I have them doing it for me. So my job is to then check their leads and make the purchases. Well, it just became so hard checking the leads, and then once I buy the stuff, having to list it and prep it and ship it. So now I'm going to be able to do all of that with all the time that I have. But I'm also going to be able to add some retail arbitrage into this, which that's where I started. When I first did Amazon, I was going into the stores and I really enjoyed doing that and making videos on that. So that's something that I'm going to start doing here on this channel. So be on the lookout for that. So I have a really small town that I live in, and mainly the biggest store that I have here is Walmart. So I'm going to be bringing you guys with me in Walmart and showing you exactly how I do retail arbitrage from there. So from the time that I'm recording this right now, I have 2 weeks left in the school year. After that, I won't just be off for 2 months in the summer. I'll have all next school year, and that'll give me 14 months to just really focus on this e-commerce. So I know I need to make myself a schedule. If I just let myself get too lax about it, I'm not going to be able to make the progress that I know that I want to make. So how I think I'm going to do it is still have my mother-in-law take Cody a couple days a week, just so that I can do the things like recording that I can't do when he's around. So my schedule, how I'm thinking to do it, is to have Monday and Wednesday doing things that I can do with Cody. So he's fine up here in the studio space when I'm doing things like checking leads and opening up products and listing them and prepping to ship them. So that'll be my Monday and Wednesday. I can also work on digital products, which is something that I really am excited to be able to spend time on. That's really where the passive income part comes from. So you invest the hours making these digital products, you put them up for sale, and then you're getting money on them when you're no longer doing the work. So the goal is to have that passive income really built up with my digital products, and that's something I can work on too on Mondays and Wednesdays. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I will have my mother-in-law take Cody for a few hours. And that's when I can do stuff like make my YouTube videos. I'm also kind of playing with the idea of maybe leaning towards like doing some mentorship. So if I get into that, then those will be the days where I can really devote to that type of work and being online. So I'm really excited to see how the future is going to change now that I am just going to have a full year dedicated to this. So I wanted to share that with you guys today. And if you are not subscribed to Profit Guru, make sure that you get subscribed, because now that I have all this extra time, I can really invest in making great quality content for you guys. And I'm so excited to be able to bring you with me to do retail arbitrage in the stores. So definitely subscribe to the channel so that you can see my, hopefully I want to do that on a pretty regular basis so that you can see exactly how easy it is to go into Walmart and to find profitable items that you can just clear the shelf and then send on to Amazon to make a profit. There's my update for this month, and hopefully my next month update will be even better. I will then officially just be e-commerce full-time and hopefully be able to tell you guys exactly how that is changing my business. So I will see you then. Bye.